Never even looked.
What?
Fans indicate.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's telling you to overtake him, is it? I don't know. Oofed? Is he going to turn right?
No idea what he's doing.
Oh, is he actually?
Is he not about to get in yet, anything?
Oh, no, sis.
An idiot.
What the fuck?
What the heck?
Please follow the 8303 for 59 miles.
House.
Look at these lots.
For real?
Oh, you little shit.
Video protected.
You actually know where you're going, Beth.
There's no way out. Like literally, they're all waiting to get out there. You're not even meant to be coming up that way, mate. You what, sir?
It's giveaway time, and I'm going to be choosing one lucky winner to win this 4K dashcam. And to win this, all you need to do is 3 simple steps, and that is subscribe, like, comment, hashtag dashcamdaz. Check the link in the description for the other details. Please carry on watching the video till the end, as it really helps my channel grow. Thank you.
He coming from both directions, bitch. I come from the D where they BMF and where they moving them keys like a core progression, bitch. I'm omnipresent, I got no reflection. Made a living off boss, I need no correction. Boss, I need no correction. Shit, I gotta stay patient while you outside, we on staycation. Not the fuck, you ain't no player for real unless you playmaking. I take the chance if you hate taking. Fuck it, dog, I'ma go West Craven. I'm at the safe fucking.
I thought you were almost gonna do it then.
We are dog friendly.
Oh look, this person's gonna go around the car park. Look, watch it. Watch it. He's gonna go
How
around
do
the
you
car
know?
park.
Oh,
To get past. To get to look.
Oh, he did it. But he's not faster. He's
No,
literally
what a
just in front
waste
of the
of
blue
time.
van again.
Yeah.
Forest doing 30 days, what the previous Tory Remainer Prime Minister and her entire cabinet couldn't do in 3 years. We're a glass half full party. It's emerged that the leader of the Conservative
An actual Daisy Dick. That's really made a big difference, hasn't it?
So there's Clever Dick and his brother Dozy Dick.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're gonna
They're
go across
both
the chevron.
here.
with a
Oh
different car.
yeah, very
you toss
clever.
Video protected.
tunes, and I think you'll be really excited to hear them. But let's start always at number 40. Now, Ariana Grande is back in full effect. She's back in the chart after falling just outside last week. We Can't Be Friends is back until number 40 on the Hit UK chart.
Number 40. You might spot the RX trauma. But with over 1 million procedures completed, our expert surgeons